Here's our 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali. This is four-wheel drive, and this truck actually has 33,000 miles on it. It is a salvage title due to front end damage. I believe it was the hood, one fender, I think it was this one here, front bumper, grill, and then the cooling was all replaced. 100% OE, factory brand new parts, no used parts on the truck, all brand spanking new. All the paint work, all the body work there, all of that was all done by our local GM dealership, so you know the paint's perfect. You know, there's no flaws in the paint whatsoever. Apologize, I'm going a little quick, just trying to avoid the bugs eating me. You can see the front tires here, they actually look brand spanking new. Don't really see any flaws on the truck whatsoever. Usually on the dualies, you see some damage back in here. Does have a moon roof up there. The rear tires, they don't know what brand they are. It looks like Cooper's. They have really good deep tread on them as well. Of course, as you can see, obviously they've been replaced. The truck did come to us from Texas. It's nice, clean, never been driven in Minnesota winter. You can see it does have a gooseneck in there. I believe that's a BMW hitch. I see it's you can see it's square there. So it's a BMW turnover. It does have the soft open tailgate. Of course, it's backup camera. Steps in the bumper. Might actually work better if I go on this side here, so I'm not doing it into the get my flashlight out. That's just the AC dripping up there. Warm day today, got the AC running. And I'll shut the truck off, open up the door and shut it just so it resets everything for us. I believe we only have one set of keys for this truck. And I'll leave my hand up here just so you know I'm not resetting anything. Of course, the other one's holding the camera. And as you can see, there's no check engine lights whatsoever, just the one telling me to put my seatbelt on, and the other one, which I'll do right now, and the other one's just the daytime running lamps saying that they're on. Currently there's 33,259 miles on the truck, and that will increase daily as we are currently driving this truck every day. We've got, I believe, about 500 miles on this truck. So you got memory seats here, of course, power fold mirrors, power windows, locks, trailer brake, heated and cooled seats, of course, power pedals, traction. This is your rear bed lights, park sensors, lane departure, exhaust brake, of course, dual climate control. And it looks like we do not have an owner's manual in here. Nope, here it is. We do have an owner's manual. Gives us a little bit more light. Again, we do have a moonroof up here. Of course, heated steering wheel as well. Everything on this truck works just like new. You know, the heat works, the AC works. Radio works, all the windows go up and down just fine. No shimmy, shakes, or rattles, or clunks, or anything like that. I'll tell you right now, as you can see, we're going straight down the center of the road. Not touching the steering wheel whatsoever. We're still going straight down the center. Still not touching the steering wheel. Truck ride's nice. I'll hit the brakes hard. Brakes just fine, doesn't steer one way or the other when you slam on the brakes. Honestly, just drives like a new truck. High beams work, blinkers, does have turn signals in the mirror. Of course, with this being a Denali, it comes with every option I believe that you can possibly get. I don't really believe that there's any options in the truck like this if you have the Denali package, except for, of course, maybe the moonroof, which of course that does have. That's going to conclude our test drive for today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much. Have a good day.